Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Netlify for web deployments step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in netlify.com and hit enter. Once the Netlify homepage loads, locate the sign up button and click on it. You will be presented with multiple sign up options. Choose to sign up using either GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket for a smoother process. If you prefer, you can also sign up using an email address. To sign up with an email, click on the corresponding option. Fill in your email address and create a strong password. After entering your details, click on the Sign Up button. You will receive a verification email in your inbox. Open your email and click on the verification link provided. Return to the Netlify website once your email is verified. Log in using your newly created credentials. Upon logging in, you'll be taken to the Netlify dashboard. From here, you can start a new project by clicking the New Site from Git button. Select the repository from the connected Git provider. Follow the prompts to configure the deployment settings. Netlify will automatically detect build commands if your project is set up correctly. Review the configuration and click on the Deploy Site button. Your site will begin to deploy, and you'll see a progress status. Once deployment is complete, you'll receive a live URL for your project. You can now visit this URL to view your deployed site. Explore the various options available in the dashboard for managing your site. Ensure to configure any additional settings as needed for optimal performance. You have now successfully registered with Netlify for web deployments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.